the wild turns savage and comfort turns into a liability, only the toughest gear survives, and so do you. This isn't about flashy gadgets or pretty packs. This is about raw, real-world equipment that performs when it's pouring rain, freezing cold, or dead silent in the dark. It's gear that's been field-tested, abused, and trusted by those who live off instinct and grit. If your life ever depends on what's in your hands, this is the kind of gear you want strapped to your back. This beast isn't just a blade, it's a brute force survival tool that laughs at abuse. The D2 steel is thick, stone-washed, and built like it's ready to chew through bone, bark, or battlefield debris. That recurved kukri shape gives it devastating chopping power, while the forward weight hits like an axe. Whether you're clearing brush or defending your camp, this blade gives you zero hesitation and full confidence. The grip locks in with a no-slip G10 handle that's built for gloves or bare hands, wet or dry. The full-tang construction isn't just strong, it's unbreakable. You've got a tactical sheath that rides tight to your body and pulls clean when things get hairy. This isn't your average knife, this is a survivalist sidearm. When gear fails, this one doesn't. This setup is made for those who live out of their ruck and don't trust Mother Nature to play nice. The BugBunker isn't your weekend hiker's tent. It's mil-spec tough, quick deploy, and modular. You've got a rugged cot base that keeps you off the cold, wet, crawling ground. And above that, a no-nonsense bug mesh shelter with a waterproof rainfly that shrugs off storms like they're background noise. It's fast to set up, tight in the wind, and deadly quiet. When you're pulling night watch in unknown territory or waiting out weather that turns regular tents into puddles, this thing holds up. The whole kit packs tight and hauls light enough for long missions. Whether you're surviving, hunting, or deployed, this is your bunk, shelter, and fortress in one. This chair isn't luxury. It's tactical rest after miles of rough trail or hours crouched by a fire. Weighing under 2 pounds but rated for 265, it disappears in your pack and pops open like a combat hammock for your backside. The aluminum alloy frame is aircraft-grade tough, and the ripstop seat hugs your shape without giving out. You won't sink, slide, or shift. It holds its posture like a sentry. Setup's a breeze. Shock-corded poles click into place with one hand. You'll get off your feet without giving up readiness. For anyone who lives rough but knows the value of recovery, this is the chair that earns its place on your back. No fluff, no bulk, just function. When lighters fail and matches get soaked, this kit steps up like fire's first spark in the wild. The high-carbon steel striker throws serious sparks and the chunky flint block catches hard. Every time. It's not about ease, it's about reliability. And this one doesn't care if your hands are cold, if the wind's howling, or your gear's soaked. It just works. It comes with a leather pouch, char cloth, and a real survivalist vibe. You'll feel the primitive edge when you strike it. That crack of spark is raw survival. Whether you're bushcrafting or hunkering down through bad weather, this kit makes fire the old way. And that's the dependable way when everything else gives out. This isn't some gimmick gadget. This is the old-school, unbreakable truth when your GPS dies or batteries vanish. The Boy Scout compass brings back land nav discipline with a precision base plate, declination adjustment, and a fluid-filled capsule for steady readings. The rotating bezel is grippy even with gloves, and the directional arrow is sharp enough to count paces by. When you're deep in no-signal zones, this compass becomes your lifeline. It's not flashy, but it's tested by decades of scouts and soldiers who don't miss turns. It slides in your pocket, hooks on your gear, and works even when your phone's toast. In true survival, this is your eyes when visibility ends and maps become more than just paper. This thing earns its keep when you're miles off-grid and your only water source is a muddy stream or alpine trickle. The Catadin Buffree gives you clean, drinkable water without pumps, hoses, or chemicals. Just fill, squeeze, and sip. The 0.1 micron filter knocks out bacteria, protozoa, and sediment like it's nothing. It's light, fast, and tough enough to live in your side pouch. You can treat up to 1,000 liters on a single filter, and when it starts to clog, just shake it clean. No back flushing, no drama. The soft flask collapses when empty and expands when needed. In real-world terms, this is a one-hand, zero-hassle lifesaver that keeps you mobile and hydrated without the extra weight. If you run lean and live hard, this is your water plan. Built like armor for your feet, these boots walk the line between trail runner and tactical support. The upper is suede leather and 1000D Cordura, meaning abrasion's not even a concern. They've got an EVA midsole that takes impact like a champ and drains fast after creek crossings. On rocky, rooted, muddy trails, they stay glued down and keep your ankles locked in. The speed lacing system is clean, fast, and functional, and the toe cap is reinforced just enough to take a beating without feeling like a steel trap. You won't overheat, and the grip keeps you upright on wet stone or loose dirt. When you're out for more than a stroll, when the terrain bites back, these are the boots that grind through it, mile after mile. This isn't your standard plastic sheet. This is adaptable protection that works as hard as you do. The one-wind shelter. Poncho turns from rain gear into a tarp, hammock cover, or emergency bivvy in seconds. Ripstop nylon with a silicone coating shrugs off water, wind, and wear. And with grommets and tie-outs, it becomes whatever shelter the situation demands. Throw it on in the storm, string it up over your camp, or wrap it around your gear when the clouds open up. It packs small, weighs less, and never stays in the pack long. This is for the survivor who values multi-use gear that earns its slot. When the weather turns and you've got seconds to adapt, this poncho doesn't blink. It's shelter on demand, rain armor on standby. When the dark hits and your vision's your lifeline, this flashlight becomes more than just gear. It's confidence. Lighting Ever's compact LEDs throw 140 lumens with crisp clarity, and you get a pack of 4, so you can stash one in every pocket, pouch, or glove box. They run on AA batteries and sip power efficiently, giving you hours of light without the bulk or weight of tactical monsters. The aluminum body takes drops and wet conditions without a whimper. You won't worry about recharging or fiddling with modes when your hands are freezing. Just click and go. Whether you're navigating trails, inspecting gear, or signaling in low-vis situations, these flashlights stay simple, strong, and always ready. Bright, basic, and bulletproof enough for real-world survival. Tiny tool, massive value. This Zippo bit safe might look simple, but in the field, it's a mechanical lifesaver. It slots right into your Zippo lighter shell and carries 8 precision bits in a tough, no-rattle insert. Flatheads, Phillips, and Torx, all tucked in like a stealth loadout. When gear loosens or breaks, this gives you the ability to fix, tighten, and survive. It's lightweight, pocket-sized, and gives your Zippo another job besides fire. Snap it in, keep your EDC clean, and forget it's there until you need it. Then, in a pinch, you've got the screwdriver that turns chaos into control. For survivalists who believe every ounce should earn its weight, this one delivers tenfold. This blade doesn't ask permission, it dominates. The MagnaCut steel is next-gen tough with corrosion resistance that laughs in the face of humidity and wet wilderness. It's full tang, razor sharp, and built for real utility, from carving notches to breaking glass or going full defense. The drop point blade and ceramic coating give it that stealth-forward edge, ready for anything. The grip is over-molded and ergonomic, locked in with a rubberized texture that won't slip in sweat or rain. And the sheath? Modular and MOLLE-compatible with multiple mounting options that keep it where you need it. This isn't just another knife. This is a professional-grade blade for when survival isn't a weekend game. It's what you carry when everything depends on it. This isn't just an axe. It's a whole toolkit forged into one brutal, packable unit, the Freelander 17.7. Survival Axe is a hatchet, hammer, pry tool, hoe, and survival companion all in one. The carbon steel blade chops clean while the folding hoe digs, levels, and clears with the flick of a wrist. You're getting 10 functions packed into a rugged piece of gear that feels like it belongs in a rescue truck or your rucksack. The steel handle is wrapped with paracord and hidden inside fire starter, emergency whistle, fishing line, the whole deal. It's compact enough for the pack, but hits and digs like a full-size tool. Whether you're processing firewood, digging in, or fixing a shelter under pressure, this multi-tool doesn't slow you down. It's raw, relentless, and ready to work. This isn't just light, it's your eyes in the dark when everything else goes dead. The Black Diamond headlamp throws focused beams with multiple modes, including red light for stealth and preserving night vision. Strap it on and forget it's there. The low profile and tight fit mean no bounce, no bulk. Whether you're climbing ridges, dressing wounds, or reading maps in pitch black, this light keeps you in control. It's waterproof, stormproof, and runs all night long on a few batteries. Adjust brightness with a tap or lock it to prevent accidental power loss in the pack. When hands are full and vision is life, this headlamp earns its keep. From base camp to blackout, this is the light you want mounted when the night turns wild. Comfort meets survival-grade durability in this ultralight sleep system. The Nemo Tensor Trail is designed for zero-compromise rest after a brutal day in the field. With space frame baffles and insulated layers, it delivers warmth, cushioning, and support that'll actually let you sleep, even on rough, uneven ground. It packs tight and sets up fast, keeping your base weight low and your recovery dialed in. No crinkling, no deflation, just consistent performance night after night. The included Vortex pump sack makes inflation fast and breath-free, which means no moisture buildup inside. When you're freezing, sore, and running on fumes, this pad saves your back, your energy, and your morale. It's not luxury. It's mission-critical comfort in survival mode. This isn't your average thermos. This is a heat-locking, cold-defending, field-battered bottle built for real-world abuse. Stanley's Adventure Vacuum Bottle keeps your coffee hot, your water cold, and your spirits up all day long. The double wall insulation holds temperature like a vault, whether you're in snowdrifts or desert sun. Twist it open and the rugged lid doubles as a cup, just like old school gear should. The stainless steel is BPA-free and damn near indestructible. You can throw it in your pack, drop it in the dirt, or strap it to the side of your rig. It doesn't care. No leaks, no gimmicks, just rugged hydration and heat when it matters. If you're serious about surviving the wild with hot liquid or ice-cold water, this bottle's coming with you. Small in size, massive in impact, this little beast isn't just for bikes. The Fantic X9 Ace Mini Pump throws out serious PSI fast, letting you pump up bike tires, inflatable gear, or anything else that runs flat in the field. It's digital, USB-C rechargeable, and compact enough to fit in your jacket pocket. Yet it'll inflate up to 150 PSI without breaking a sweat. When you're off-grid and your gear needs air, this saves your legs, your lungs, and your mission. Preset modes, smart shutoff, LED lighting, it's packed with survival-ready tech. If your loadout includes anything inflatable, this pump becomes essential. It's not just about pressure, it's about being prepared when everything else deflates. This is not just a battery, it's mission power. The DJI Power 2000 packs 2,048 Wh of juice into a rock-solid station that can run your camp, charge your gear, and keep your survival electronics alive through extended missions. It's got multiple ports, pure sine wave output, and even solar compatibility. When the grid goes down, this becomes your mobile powerhouse. Fast charging, intuitive controls, and heavy-duty handles mean it's not just capable, it's field functional. You can run a cooler, power your comms, or keep your lighting and GPS alive deep into the backcountry. In emergency scenarios or extended stays off-grid, this isn't optional. It's your silent generator. Quiet, clean, and relentlessly reliable. Hands take the hit first. Protect them like your life depends on it. The HPG100 Puncture Pro gloves are built for hostile environments where sharp edges and rough terrain are the norm. These aren't soft-touch work gloves. These are tactical-grade, needle-resistant, and cut-rated for handling broken glass, thorns, and the nastiest trail hazards without flinching. The fit is snug, dexterity stays high, and the build quality is unforgiving. Grip control is solid even when wet, and the material doesn't fold under pressure. Whether you're busting through debris, setting traps, or navigating rough climbs, these gloves give you armor without sacrificing feel. Because one mistake with bare hands in the wild, that's game over. When seconds count, this compact tool becomes your lifeline. The Sinen window breaker mounts on your car visor, seatbelt, or pack strap, always within reach. One press, one hit, and it shatters tempered glass with explosive force thanks to its spring-loaded tungsten tip. Built for rescue, built for speed, and built for real-world panic moments. But it doesn't stop there. This tool also slices clean through seatbelts with a hidden protected blade. No fumbling, no delay. In rollover crashes, flooding, or roadside emergencies, this small tool turns fear into action. If you roll prepared, this one stays clipped close. It's the kind of tool you hope you never use, but never leave behind. A complete blade loadout in one rugged carry. The Mossio Knife Set gives you a heavy-duty fixed blade, a compact caping knife, and a gut hook. Each full tang, razor-sharp, and field-ready. They come sheathed in a high-vis orange case that keeps them protected and deployable fast. Whether you're dressing game, building traps, or cutting cordage, these knives don't flinch. The handles are rubberized for no-slip grip even when things get messy. The weight and balance hit that sweet spot. No wobble, no fatigue. This set covers every angle of backcountry blade work, and it doesn't play decorative. It's functional, durable, and made for hands that know how to work. For real survival scenarios, this is the knife roll you want strapped down. Looks like a belt. Works like a survival kit on your waist. The Slide Belt Survival Belt is a clean, tactical buckle system hiding a multi-tool kit, with a fire starter, knife, LED light, and bottle opener packed into the clasp. The strap is reinforced, waterproof, and strong enough to tow or tie down gear in a pinch. You're not just wearing it, you're gearing up. Adjustments are micro-dialed so it fits like a glove and stays put under heavy load. Whether you're climbing, crawling, or carrying weight, this thing won't loosen or fail. It's everyday gear with survival instincts baked in. The kind of utility you forget about until the moment you need it. And when that moment hits, it delivers without hesitation. Thanks for watching, adventurers. If you live for the wild, the grit, and the gear that gets you through it, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss the next drop. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and we'll see you out there.